Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of C Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're going to be making a classic. We're going to be making pad thai from scratch. None of that ketchup bullshit. That is nasty. Don't do that. I'll show you how to make from scratch. It's super easy, so let's go ahead and get started. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!